A very good morning to our venerated chief guest, Shri Yogesh Bahadur Khurania, IPS Commissioner of Police, Bhubaneswar and Cuttack, Honorable Chairman Sir Dr. Bijay Kumar Sahu, Trustee Ma'am Srimati Silpi Sahu, Principal Sir Shri Harish Sanduja, Vice Principal Sir Shri Nilakantha Panigrahi, Vice Principal Ma'am Srimati Rashmi Pandey, dear teachers and students, welcome to the 2016 investiture ceremony.
We shall begin today's investiture ceremony of the Sai Student Council 2016-17 with a welcome song.
खुशियों के रंग सब भर के मुट्ठियों में बंद अब करके पंखों को हवा दे के हम उड़ जाए खुशियों के रंग सब भर के मुट्ठियों में बंद अब करके पंखों को हवा दे के हम उड़ जाए झूमे नाचे अब कैसा है डरना दुनिया की बातों से हमको क्या करना मौसम मस्ताना रास्ता अनजाना मौसम मस्ताना रास्ता अनजाना जाने कब किस मोड़ पे बन जाए कोई अफसाना अय्या ना 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 ना
May I now request our Honorable Chairman Sir, Dr. Bijay Kumar Sahu, to present the welcome address.
We are extremely privileged and honored to have Sri Y.B. Khurania, the Commissioner of Police, Bhubaneswar and Cuttack, with us, and brilliant police officer, recipient of President's Award in Police, and all of you will be happy that you are going to have a safer Cuttack and Bhubaneswar. You would have seen on the day he joined, he started arresting the dreaded criminals of Odisha. From the day he joined, and it's continuing, and I'm sure all the children will have a safe place to live in Cuttack and Bhubaneswar. I was wondering, where from Sri Khurania gets his inspiration to do such wonderful work fearlessly. And few days back I was with him, and I want to tell you this because it's a great learning for each one of you. Few days back I was with him, and he was sharing his thoughts, and unknowingly he said something which really struck me. He said that he belongs to a family where the family stays together, his fathers and all his brothers, and it's a very large family. And his father is the milestone of the family, and he is dedicated for education. He runs a school, and even at the age of 80, he is 80 years old now, he spends about 12 hours a day. He gets up very early morning before anybody else in the house wakes up, and sharp at 9 o'clock he goes to bed, and he's doing it for the last 80 years, absolutely disciplined. But what is most striking is he's so passionate about education and discipline. He not only helps children who are deprived of education to have education in his school, he also guides them for the future and helps them even with money to get admission into the higher institutes, and feels proud when these children prosper in their life. So this is the gene which is coming from his father to him, which has made him so bold. So we have such a wonderful person. I thought he is one of the most appropriate persons who can install our student council, the leaders, with his vision and thought, and he will be a role model for each one of you. So I think as a tribute to him, we should offer him our clap of happiness. Thank you. And that's my advice to all the leaders who are going to be installed today, that you need to lead by example. You need to have verified thoroughly the way you talk, the way you conduct, the way you behave, because you will be marked now as a leader. Undertakes a lot of responsibility. So with these, all the best to the leaders who are going to be installed. Once again, thank you everyone. And once again, I welcome our honorable chief guest, who is himself a role model in front of you.
So my advice to all of you is, make full use of all the opportunities that arise while you are in school. Make full use of all the facilities that are available in your school, whether it is music or dance classes, painting, various hobbies. Make full use of them. School is the only place where you can raise your hand in the class, express your doubts, fully knowing that your teacher will respond to your queries and you will get a reply. This opportunity will never be available once you pass out from this school. This is the only place in life where you can make queries, clear your doubts, fully knowing that you will get a response. This may not be so once you are out from the school. Some of you are getting inducted into the student council today. My congratulations to them. A great responsibility is going to be cast upon them. From today onward, you will be the torch bearer of this school. You will be the ambassador of this school. Anyone who interacts with you, who talks with you, he will draw a picture of what Sai International stands for. Through interaction with you, through conversation with you. So as I said, from today onwards, you will be the ambassador of your school. So you have to put your best foot forward in all things that you do, whether within the school or outside the school. You will also be a torch bearer for other students and for your juniors, because they will always be looking forward to you for guidance, for advice, and they will try to emulate you anything that they do in the school. So my advice to all the students who are getting inducted into the student council: show initiative, be responsible, be truthful, be prompt, because from today you are representing not only yourself but also your school, and school has cast this responsibility on you. So my best wishes and congratulations to all the students who are getting inducted into the student council. I wish all the best to all the students, and once again I'll request that make full use of all the opportunities that come across your way while you are in the school. Thank you.